Good day, everyone. I got some more shish kebabs I'm gonna make here. So I've been marinating this cube steak all day long in teriyaki sauce. I'm just gonna cut up some peppers, onion, and yellow and green squash here, or zucchini and yellow squash. Alright, here's all my ingredients. I'm just going to put them on these skewers. I'm just going to put them on these skewers here. Piece of meat. And on each side of the meat, except for the first one, I like to put an onion. Just like that. So it sandwiches the meat. I might even put one on the other side here. Yep, there we go. Just like that. Now, for the veggies. That, another piece of meat, an onion, just one little piece of onion. You can even kind of fold these onions, pieces of them, so they sandwich in there real nice like that. There we go, just repeat over and over. Now I'll just pour the rest of the marinade over this. Look at how colorful those things are. All right, let's go put these on the grill. I'm gonna hit these with some black pepper and some Himalayan sea salt too, some pink salt. Okay, I like to cook it between 4 and 450 for about 20 minutes. The babies are darn ready to go. Look at that. I'll give them 5 more minutes. Look at that. All right, let's go ahead and check if this one's done. Check our food thermometer here. Oh yeah,